Lahori Chanay Recipe. Let's make half cup oil, 3 medium onions, 1 TBSP garlic paste, 1 TBSP ginger paste. Fry until onions color change. 1 TSP red chili powder, 1 TSP salt, half TSP turmeric, half TSP coriander powder, half TSP zira powder, half TSP paprika powder. Mix it well. Watch full video, don't skip. Add to medium tomato paste. Cover for 10 minutes. Half a cup of boiled chana and boiled chana water blend for gravy. Add chana paste into the masala. Cover for 5 minutes. Add half kilogram boiled chana. Mix it well. Add to cup water. Add to green chili, 1 TBSP garam masala, It's done. Add kasuri methi. Add fresh coriander. So yummy and tasty. Must try this recipe. Served with love. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comments.